Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility, head unit model, Android Auto firmware, and whether an aftermarket AA adapter is required. Next, disconnect battery to protect memory, keep radio codes handy. Then route a high-quality USB 2, 0 or 3, 0 cable 1, 5 to 3 meters from dash to where the phone docks. Avoid cheap cables that drop data. Once done, reconnect power and boot the unit while watching for firmware prompts. Update firmware if the head unit requests it. Now install the aftermarket adapter. Mount it in a ventilated spot behind the dash, then connect power, ground, USB data, and any CAN or accessory wires following the wiring diagram. Make sure the head unit's USB port is set to data mode, not charge only. Pair the adapter if it needs Bluetooth for initial handshakes, and enable Android Auto within the head unit menu. Once paired, connect your phone, grant app permissions and allow contacts, messages, and media access so the system works smoothly. Finish by calibrating display touch and scaling, routing audio to the correct source, and setting microphone levels for voice commands. Test navigation, calls, and media playback. Make adjustments to screen timeout and do not disturb settings on your phone. If Android Auto does not connect, try toggling USB mode, swapping to a known good cable, rebooting the phone, or updating the adapter firmware. If still stuck, restore saved settings after a head unit factory reset. This often clears hidden conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.